Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and you can scroll through this panel by swiping up and down on the screen. Scroll through it and look for the battery saver icon. And once you find it and you want to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. Usually you can't tell that it's enabled. The only difference is that if you go to the quick panel, you will see this leaf icon next to the battery, and if you scroll up, you will see that the battery saver mode changed to standard mode. Basically, you can go back to standard mode to disable the power saving. So let's disable it. So scroll to the quick panel, tap on standard mode, and it will be bringing you to the standard mode like this. And if you open the quick panel, the leaf icon will be gone and the icon will go back to the battery saver. You can also do this through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, you can press the crown button, tap on the settings icon. In settings you can find the battery mode option and tap on it, and here we have standard mode, then battery saver, and you can also enable and disable the auto option. The auto option, what it does is basically it will turn on the power saving mode automatically when the battery drops below the 15%. Like I said, to enable the mode, you simply tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and it will be enabled. And to disable it through the settings, you go back to settings, battery mode, the icon changed as you can see, and then tap on standard mode. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.